Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to turn off the option that automatically opens supported links for a specific app. If you've ever clicked on a link and it instantly opened in an app instead of your browser, you know it can sometimes be frustrating. By changing just a few settings, you can take back control over how links open on your device. Let's get started. First, pick up your phone and open the Settings application. This is where most adjustments are made for apps, preferences, and system controls. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section called Apps. Tap on it to see a full list of all the applications installed on your phone. From here, scroll through the list and select the app you want to adjust. In this case, we're focusing on XApp. Once you tap into that app's settings page, you'll see a variety of options like permissions, storage usage, notifications, and more. To continue, look for the option labeled Set as Default. This is the control center for how the app behaves when it comes to opening different types of links. When you enter this section, you'll see a setting called Open Supported Links. This option allows the app to grab links that it recognizes and automatically open them without asking. To stop that from happening, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Once that's done, XApp will no longer automatically open supported links. Instead, you'll get the choice to select how you want to open them, such as using your browser or another application. And that's it. Just a few quick steps, and you've successfully disabled automatic link opening for XApp. From now on, you'll have more flexibility and control, making your phone experience smoother and more personalized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply the same method to any other apps that behave the same way. A small adjustment like this can make a big difference in keeping your device working the way you want it to.